Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can improve your video quality in the CapCut Mobile. So here you can just add your video that you want to improve its quality and head to adjust. Then here increase the brightness of the video to 5, saturation 10, and lastly the sharpness to around 30, like this. Click on the check icon. Now just go to the here, this quality, this resolution. Make sure it's on the 1080p, then the frame rate 30, then the code rate to the recommended. Now you are done. So let's see the before and after. So this is the before I adjust the quality, and this is the after. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.